Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It's that time of the month again. Treats all over the world. Every month, you guys could get some goodies delivered to your doorstep. Use my promo code down below. Check them out. Link is going to be also down below. And every month, you get some new snacks delivered. So let's see what they have to offer us this month. There we go. TryTreats.com. Use my promo code. Save a little bit. And this is coming from... oh, sweet. Cuculin Pyramid, Mexico. I think I said that right. I've been to Cancun many years ago when I was a kid. I did the pyramids. So that was a cool trip. But man, those were huge to climb. Awesome. The Mayans, Aztecs. Alright, now let's see what goodies they got. We'll just do it blindfolded. Just dig in. Arriba. Here we go. Whoa. This looks like caramel goodies. Looks like that cow moo one. Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna keep it. Whoa, clown. Kinda looks like Trump. What the heck? If you guys want to sign up and see what this looks like, click on the link below. Interesting. And then we got, oh yeah, we'll see in the description thing. Got two of those. Alright, queso. Ruffles. Oh yeah. These would be some good chips. Yeah, also Bubba. Boo Boo Lubu. Boo Boo Lubu. Looks like some strawberry coconut chocolate goodies. New image. Oh boy. There we go. We got the Polperindo. Real fruit. What is it though? Banana? Hot and salted pulp candy. Ooh. And next up, oh yes, Takis. Fuego. Hot chili pepper lime. Takis. But you can also pick and choose too. But and then we got some peanuts. Cockatus. Savory hot. Ooh, look at that fire. Can't eat peanuts. That sucks. But that looks really good also. Dang. Bacolin. Chocolate wafer. And then, oh, we got another one of those. And Nestle. Carlos the Fifth. Oh, the king dude. I went to the bullfights out there in Cancun, or in somewhere in Mexico. Really cool to see for the bullfights. I was like probably 10. We got Ricos, and more Ricos. I think that's about it. So YouTubers, check them out. Link is going to be down below. And here we go. Boobaloo. Chocolate covered marshmallow, strawberry jelly. Oh, there we go. Payoso. Chocolate covered marshmallow lollipop. Whoa. Chewy, filled with flavor. Peso the clown. Not kidding how good it is. Sweet. I'll definitely be eating those later. Ricos. Milk caramel. Mexico made with goat milk. Moo. Awesome stuff. So thank you guys at Try Treats, and YouTubers, you guys could try it also using my code down below. I think it's Stout79 or the Stout79. I get confused. Salsa and chips, my favorite. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good Wednesday, hump day, and check them out. Alright, see you in the next video.